Hello, Control F5. So I have developed this. It's a car racing game. In its about section, I have write about myself, my name, CMS ID. It's a Simster project for visual programming subject, car racing game, and keeping the record of players. So there is a database in which I am able to keep the record of every player, like their ID, name, score, and on which date they have played the game. Help: how to play the game. Play with arrow keys. Use arrow left and right key to move the car to left and right. Use arrow up key to speed up the track, and arrow down key to slow down the track. Player need to get maximum number of coins to set their name in the highest score table. So there are two tables, score table and highest score table. In the score table, there is the record of every player who played this game. ID, their name, their scores, their date, on which date they played. And in this high score table, there is only three record who made the highest score. 49 is the highest score among all these scores. Second highest, 45, third highest. I have placed just three record in this table. So let's play the game. Arrow left, arrow right, arrow left, arrow up key to move the car. One can see the speed is 1 km/h. The car and the coins are coming randomly, so for that I have used random class. If you want to speed up the track, arrow up key. Now the speed is 2 km/h, back to 1 km/h, arrow down key. Every coin have different unit of rewards. To speed up the track, arrow up key, 2 km, 3. Yeah, so my car boundary intersect with the car, with this boundary of this car. So my score is 31 now. I cannot change this record, this score. It's in a read-only field, read-only text box. So I have to save the score. I provided a name, player, st, save, name, score, and date saved. Okay, let's see. Here is player st. It must be on the last row. Yeah, 31 on 27th of August with this ID. So let's see. I am on third position. 49 is first, 45 is second, 31 is I am on third position. These are the coins that I've used in this game. On this coin, player get 1 unit of reward. On this coin, player get 2 unit of reward. On this coin, player get 3 unit of reward. This is the enemy's car, and this is player car. Thank you.